Guangzhou PanPanTech Company Limited was founded in 2015 in Guangzhou with Yulng Smart, Pyroglow, Neurogrid brands, is a comprehensive provider that integrates R&D, manufacturing, and sales, offering wireless smart devices and IoT technology services. Our factory boasts a 3,200 square meter manufacturing facility. It has obtained CHE, FCC and RoHS international certifications. Our factory is equipped with advanced production lines, including high-speed SMT production lines, soldering lines, and fully automated testing equipment, enabling standardized production to ensure high-quality standards and reliable delivery capabilities to customers. Our company utilizes software, hardware, and cloud services to assist clients in various industries, including retail, electronics, baking, apparel, warehousing and logistics, fresh produce, and chain supermarkets. Currently, AIEI and KSMART serves customers in over 30 countries and regions worldwide, and expect more cooperation.